Good morning. I'm first today.
Good morning. How are you?
Also, I thank you. I am Ahmed, but I am first one
To join. Yeah,
in the meeting. So
that's great. That's great. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. How are you? Lana, Ahmed, Aus, Lana, Sally, Aya, Yusuf. How are you guys?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you so much. What about the others? How are you guys? Hello, guys. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great.
I said.
Great.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Yeah, I didn't hear your voice for a long time. I miss you.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Ram. Good morning, Aya. Good morning, Hadia, Muhammad, Omar, Malak. Who else? Abdullah.
Teacher, today we will complete the revision.
And now we are on page. Let's see which page. Page 395. So yalla, let's do it fast so we can finish today. Okay. Yalla, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Yesterday we stopped the revision and now we are going to complete it. Today, inshallah, we're going to take the lesson, which is 10.3, multiply a fraction by a whole number, use simples. That lesson is 10.3, and I told you it's the page, which page? I forgot. 395. So 395. Okay, let's see. It's super easy. When it comes to multiplication of fraction, it's super easy. Let's take an example. So if I told you I want to multiply 6 times 2 out of 5. So here's the multiplication, okay? When we want to multiply a fraction by a whole number, all you need to do is multiply that whole number by the numerator. That's it. Okay? So all you need to do is multiplying the whole number by the numerator. Yes, yeah, Malak?
After you complete, let's go to the other lesson.
What?
After you complete this lesson, let's go to the other
Yes, sure,
another
sure.
lesson because it's so easy.
Yes, sure, we will do that. Okay, now 6 times 2, it will be 12. And we won't change the 5, it's still a 5. That's it. That's it. So simple, so easy. You just multiply the whole number by the numerator. Don't touch the denominator, okay? Just multiply the whole number with the numerator. Everyone, do you understand this? Do you have any problem with it?
No.
That's so great. Thank you. So that's the whole lesson. You see, we finished a lesson in the blink of an eye. Okay, so now let's go to the next lesson. And now we are in topic number 12, which is about decimals. And in lesson 12.3, which is add the comparing decimals. Okay, now let's see this lesson. So we are now, yes,
Yesterday we stopped at topic 9.
yes, and now we talk topic 10, and now we are going to topic 12.
Teacher,
Yes, Yusuf.
yesterday I studied for the main.
Now, please, who's that Diana? Wait, Yusuf, who's that Diana? Hello? Who's that Diana?
Lana.
Lana?
Yes.
Diana ASDAS. Who's that?
There is Lana.
Who?
Is Lana Abedat.
No, this is Lana Bidat.
Good morning, teacher.
Is that you, Lana? Diana ADAS?
No,
Okay, guys, who's that? Hello, who are you? Wait, please, I want to know who's this one. Hello?
Maybe Abdullah.
No, Abdullah is here. Hello? Hello? Okay, I'm going to remove you. Diana, who's that Diana? Okay, I'm going to remove you.
Here also in the English class, sometimes like another girl in our class, like almost the same name.
Okay, let's remove him. I don't want that in my class. Okay, we remove them. Okay, now let's start. So now we are on topic number 12 with comparing decimals. Topic number 12 with comparing the decimals. Okay, let's see that. Now, with comparing decimals, it's super easy also. Why? Because it's so similar to compare the whole numbers, okay? So comparing decimals is the same as comparing a whole numbers. There is no difference with that, okay? Yes, Yamar? Yes, Yamar?
In the one where you do the multiplication with the whole to the numerator, you forgot something.
Which is?
Here it's 27/5 and on like number 14 in the independent practice, because it's 27/5, which equals 5/2/5.
What you said? I didn't understand. I didn't understand what you said.
Go back to page 395.
Yeah, no, give me the problem, which is?
Okay, there's actually a bunch of them, but on number 14, there's 27/5. The answer, there's 9 times 3 fish would be 5th,
No.
which equals
Wait.
27/5, which equals 5/2.
Wait, I didn't understand a single word from you, so I will back to this to the topic and see what you are talking about. So which one are you talking about, Amar?
395. If you saw, no, there's actually a bunch of them that
Number
have
what?
this.
Number what?
Number 14. There's actually a bunch of them that have this. Actually, all of them are like this.
Number 14, 9 times 3/5. So you just multiply 9 times 3, which is 25 out of 27 out of 5.
Yeah, but then in my book, then it equals to 5/2/5.
What?
In my book, then it equals to 2/5.
Yes, that's if you want to write the fraction as a mixed number. Okay. Now this is not something not included now. I don't want it. Just keep it 27 out of 5.
Okay.
Okay, yes, Jawad.
Teacher,
Next time, Jawad, raise your hand, okay?
okay.
Yes.
Teacher, can I solve number 8? So I
Okay,
can
now we don't have a time for that, guys. We have now
wait.
a whole.
Okay, wait. The easiest one is number 7. 4 multiply 1 equals 4.
Yes, yes. So it's 4/3.
7.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
No.
you. Thank you, Jawad. Okay. So now we are going to.
Ustad.
Yes, Khalid. Don't talk like this.
Ustad.
Raise your hand. No. Raise your hand, please.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, Khalid.
Teacher, you are in which topic?
Now we are on topic number 12, which is comparing decimals. Now in the lesson, comparing decimals, but I will not go the book. I will just give you some examples from my.
This
okay?
هذه سهلة يا أستاذ.
Yes. Now we want to compare between these two decimal numbers. So what you will do, we will go to compare digit by digit, digit by digit. So 1, it's 1. So they are still equal. Now here we have 3, and here we have 2. 3 greater than 2. That means this decimal is greater than this decimal.
طب أستاذ
That's it.
ليش تتعب حالك؟ خلص شوف الرقم وحط على يده أكبر.
Yes, but I'm just learning you how to do it. So if you like, if you can master it and you do it directly, yes, you can. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
You want to compare between two decimals, go digit by digit and look what do you have. Okay. Another example, suppose that we have 2.03 with 2.3. Okay, let's do that. So here you need to do what? Digit by digit. So we have 2 with 2. They are still the same. Now we have 0 with 3. Okay, now 0 is less than 3. So this number should be less than this number. Okay? Always go digit by digit. Always go digit by digit. Okay, guys? Is there a problem with this one?
No.
Excellent. So that's everything about comparing decimals. Let's see who have a question. Yes, yeah, Omar.
Can you repeat?
Okay, we always, when we want to compare, when we want to compare decimals, go digit by digit. So 2 is with 2, they are still equal, right? Then I will move to the next digit. 0 with 3. So which one is greater than 0 or 3? 0 is less than 3, right? So that means the first decimal number is less than the second decimal number. That's it.
So it's kind of just like the regular one.
Yes, it's still that's the regular one. You compare digit by digit. Always you compare digit by digit. Okay?
Okay.
So that's everything about comparing decimals. Now, after comparing decimals, what do we have? And we have topic 13, which is about measurement. Convert between measurements. Okay, convert between the measurements. Okay, let's see that. Let's go up now to topic 13. Oh my God. Okay, let's see that. Go down to topic 13, and that is topic 13. Now, let's see what do we have. Okay, now I'll give you for the exam four lessons. Equivalence with customer units of length. Let's see that. So the first lesson is customer units of length. Now, the thing here is so fun. Okay, guys, it's so fun. I will give you the table on the exam, so you don't need to save the whole units, okay? I will give you this table and the exam in each question. So in each question, you will see this table, okay? Let me mark this for you. So on each question, you will see this table. Okay, now let's try to solve one. So suppose I told you that I have 4 feet and I want you to find that in inches. What you would do? Okay, so feet with inch, feet with inch. You go for the table and look where you have feet with inch. So this is the feet and the inch. Great. What number you have between them? It's the 12, right? Sorry, it's the 12. That means each one foot equals 12 inches. So I want to convert now between feet and inch. How to do that? You multiply the 4 by 12. That's it. So you would say here 12 times 4. And when you do that, the answer will be 48. So the answer here will be what? 48. That's it. Okay. So if I want to convert from feet to inch, I will go to the table and look what number is between them. What is the relationship between them? So we have a 12. So I need to multiply by 12. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose I have 5 yards and I want to find that in feet. Okay, great. So we have yard and feet. I will go to my table and to look where we have yard with feet. So look, this is the yard and the feet. Each 1 yard equals what? 3 feet. So what the number that we have? 3. So I need to multiply 5 times 3. And that will be what? 15. Okay. Okay, guys. You got it?
Yes, can you repeat?
If you have question, please raise your hand. Yes, yeah, Sally.
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Okay. Let's do that again. Now, in the exam, yeah, Sally, I will give you the table, okay? Now, in this table, I will tell you that 1 foot equals to 12 inches, okay? And I will tell you that 1 yard equals to 3 foot, okay? Is there a problem with that?
Yes.
Now, you need to keep an eye on these two numbers, the 12 and the 3. Keep an eye for it, okay? Now, suppose I
Yes.
told you that I have, for example, 4 feet. Find that in inches, okay? Now, which one of these two things in the table relates between the feet and the inch? The first one, right? This one.
Yes.
So we said to keep an eye on the 12, right? Right? Now, what you need to do is just multiply the 4 that in the question with the 12. Okay? 4 times the 12. Now you can do it. Okay? 4 times the 12 equals 48. So the answer is 48. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Another example. Suppose I told you that I have 5 yards. Okay? Find that in feet. What you would do? The same thing. Yard with feet. So I will use what? The second one, right? Now I will use what? The number 3. That means I need to multiply 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals to 15. And that's it. You got it? You got it? Sally?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Malak, you have a question? Do you understand now?
Teacher, wait.
What?
Now, from where did you bring the 48?
48. I multiplied 4 times 12. 4 from the question itself, and 12
Then
from the table. 4
how
times,
do you
you
how
know,
do you know how much fit in the 4?
I multiply 4 times 12. If you don't know how that equals, just multiply it regularly. That's it. 4 times 2 equals to 8. And 4 times 1 equals to 4. So it's 48. See that?
This 1 feet.
Yes. You got it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, this same thing will work in every lesson in the topic. I will give you a table. You need to determine which value in the table you need to multiply with and to multiply it. That's it. Okay, guys? Okay? I won't explain the whole topic because it will take us a long time to do, but that's what we do. Just determine from the table that I will give to you what value you need to multiply by and multiply it by this value in the question. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay, now let's move in to the next topic. Now, in the next topic, which is more fun, it talks about number sequence and patterns and repeating shapes. Okay, let's go for that. Not here. Okay, number sequence. Let's see that. Okay, now in this lesson, what I will give to you like this. I will give you a sequence of number with a rule. For example, find the next two numbers. The rule, add 2. Okay, now the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, and I need you to find the next two number. Okay, now look, in this one, you will use the rule. The rule tells me what? To add 2. So each time I'm going to add for the last number 2. So now 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Now 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So that's it. We found the 2 digits. Is there a problem with that? Let's take another example. Let's take another example. So another example, the same thing, find the next two numbers. The rule is subtract, for example, 7. And then we have now 49, and then 42, sorry, 42, and then we have 35, and then I need you to find the next two digits. The same thing, you will use what? The rule. The rule tells me what? To subtract 7. So each time I need to subtract 7. So 35 minus 7, that equals to 28. 28 minus 7 equals to 21. So that's how we find the missing values. Is there any problem with that? You just need to follow the rule. That's it. It's super easy, right? Yes, yeah, Malek.
May you give me another meaning? I didn't understand.
Okay, let's take another one. I'm giving you a sequence here, like this, okay? For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, and this keeps on, okay? Now I want you to find the next 2 digits. I will give you the rule. The rule is add 3, okay? The question will be like this. I want you to find this digit and this digit, okay? Okay, Malak?
So we add this to 12, like 12.
Yes. 12 plus 3 equals 15. Now 15 plus
Okay.
3 equals 18. That's it. You got it?
It's easy.
Yes, it's super easy. It's super easy. Now, after that, we are
Then what?
going to the repeating shapes. After that, we are going to the repeating shapes. Now, I like this topic. Why? Because this topic, it's really fun. Now, in the repeating shape, I will give you shapes like this. And this. Now, I'm telling you, we have this repeating shape, this keeps going on forever. Now, I'm telling you, find what would
هذا يعني أنت كيف عملته بالله؟
I drawed 3 shapes, okay?
Yeah.
Now, my question is, what would be the 13th shape? Okay.
Okay.
This is my question. What would be the 13th shape? Okay.
Yeah.
How would you do that? First of all, just name them 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now keep going on with numbers. 4, 5, 6. Then keep on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the 13th shape will be what? A circle. Right? You see that? Do you see that, guys? Do you have a problem with it? If you have a question, just raise your hand. Yes, Yamar.
So teacher, in the exam, you're gonna bring like 3 shapes or something, and then you're gonna like, you're gonna say what would be the 3,
Yes, what would
13th
be
shape.
the 9th shape? What will be the 10th shape?
And on the first shape we do 1, and on the second one we do 2, and then on the third
Yes,
one
and
we
you
do
keep
3.
counting on. You keep
and
counting
then-
on till you reach your digit that you want to find.
Okay, I get it.
Thank you. Is there any problem, guys? Okay, great. So that's all, everything about this topic. Now, let's move on. Now, after that, we have the topic number 15, which is about raised lines and angles. Let's see that. Let's go to the book again. So we have topic number 15. Sorry. Okay, now on this topic, I'm going to ask you, name that thing. I will give you a shape. I need you to name it. Is it a line? Is it a line segment? Is it a ray? Is it an angle? Is it a point? And that's so on. Okay, let's make a quick revision for that. Now the point, we know what's the point. It's a dot, right? Is there any problem with the point? Look here. The point is just a dot, as you can see here. And when we want to name it, we name it what? Look here, like this, just Z. It's the point Z, we just name it C. If it was A, you call it A, B, you call it B, and so on. Now, the line, it's a straight path that has two arrows from both sides. As you can see here, the line has what? Two arrows from the both sides. Okay, as you can see here, this is an arrow and this is an arrow. Now, to name a line, we just call the 2 points that's on it. As you can see here, this line has the 2 points A, B. Then to name it, I call it AB, and above it, I just draw a small line to show that it's a line. Okay. Now, what's the difference between the line and the line segment? Now, the line never ends from both sides. It goes forever from both sides, and we represent that by writing an arrow. The arrow means this line keep going on and on forever from both sides. Now, the line segments, it has an end. It ends here and it ends here. As you can see, it doesn't has an arrows. The difference between the line and the line segment, that the line has an arrows, and as you can see here, but the line segment, it doesn't has an arrows. It has two end point. That means this line end here and this line end here. Not like here, it goes forever. Now to name the line, to name the line segment, we name it as we name the line. So for example, here we have 2 points, G and R. So to name the line segment, we just put GR, and above them, we also write what? A small line segment to say that this is a line segment called GR. Okay, so we have a line. The line has 2 arrows. We have a line segment. The line segment doesn't have any arrows. Now the ray is similar to the line. It has just 1 arrow. So if my line has 1 arrow, I will call it what? A ray. If it has 2 arrows, I will call it a line. And if it has no arrows, I will call it what? A line segment. Is there any problem with that?
No, teacher.
Great. So now,
Teacher, I have.
please raise your hand to ask. Yes, Yamar.
Teacher, can you? I'm sorry, but I needed to repeat.
Okay,
I'm
now look,
having a bit.
look.
I'm
For
having.
here, and number 4, okay? Let's name this thing. Okay, let's name this thing. First of all, does it has any arrows? This shape, does it
No,
has any arrows? No. Okay, so because it doesn't have any arrows, it's a line segment. Okay,
it's a line segment.
yes, it's a line segment. It's a piece of a line.
Which people
Segment,
mean?
segment means part. It's a part of a line. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now to name it, I want to name this line segment. So it has 2 points, PX. So I will call it PX. And above that, I will draw a small little line segment like this. So this means I can read this, the line segment PX. Okay, now look for this one. This one has what? Has 1 arrow. So it's a ray. Okay, I will call it what? A ray. If it has 1 arrow, that means it's a ray. Okay. Now this ray, if I want to name it, let's name it here. Let's name it here. I will name it the ray BY, and I will write a small ray above it. You see that? So it's the ray BY. Is there a problem with that? And so on. Is there any problem with that? Okay, now after that, we have to classify the angles. Now we
I
have
still don't get it.
What?
I still don't get it.
Okay. Look, Yamar. Now, This is a line segment, okay? Why it's a line segment? It has ends from both sides. It doesn't have any arrows, okay? Now, this is array. Why it's array? Because it has one arrow, okay? And this is a line. Why it's a line? Because it has two arrows. So line segment, array, line. You got it now?
So the line with like two dots or nothing, it's a line segment. The line with just one arrow on the left or right, it doesn't matter. It is a array,
Array.
and does it matter if it's on the left or right?
Yes. It's still array. If it has a line from both sides, it will be, sorry, it has an arrow from both sides, it will be a line. Okay,
Okay.
now, after that,
I don't think I'm getting in a problem here.
no, it's okay, it's okay. Now, after that, we have to classify the angles. Now, look, we have a main angle called what? Called the right angle. The right angle. Now, how would you know if it's this angle is the right angle? We draw a what? We draw a small square. If so, if you have an angle and if you see it, you has a small square here, that means it's a right angle. Okay, it's a right angle. Okay, guys. So
Teacher.
yes, Yelana. Wait, Lana.
Teacher, let me just send the link. Teacher, let me just send the link.
Okay, let me hear Lana, and then I will let you go. Yes, Yelana.
No, I'm just gonna say the same thing.
Okay, okay. Yalla, okay, guys. Inshallah, I wish you a good luck and see you on the exam. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.